Welcome to the enchanting world of artisan furniture and decorative pieces crafted from salvaged wood. Here, sustainability meets artistry in a celebration of nature's beauty and the stories embedded within each piece. As we navigate a landscape increasingly defined by mass production and disposable goods, the allure of handcrafted items made from reclaimed materials offers a refreshing alternative. Each creation not only enhances your living space, but also carries with it a rich history, connecting the past with the present in a meaningful way. This unique approach to design embodies a commitment to environmental stewardship, allowing you to invest in pieces that reflect your values while adding character and warmth to your home. In this curated collection, you will discover a diverse array of furniture and decor that showcases the remarkable versatility of salvaged wood. From rustic tables that serve as the heart of family gatherings to elegant wall art that sparks conversation, each item is a testament to the skill and passion of the artisans who create them. As you explore the beauty of these timeless treasures, you will find that they serve not only as functional pieces, but also as enduring symbols of craftsmanship and sustainability. Join us on this journey to celebrate the artistry of reclaimed materials and find unique treasures that resonate with your personal style and commitment to a more sustainable future. As we reach the conclusion of this journey through the captivating world of artisan furniture and decorative pieces crafted from salvaged wood, we hope you've gained a deeper appreciation for the artistry and sustainability that these unique creations embody. Each piece tells a story, reflecting its rich history and the skilled craftsmanship that transforms reclaimed materials into functional works of art. By choosing to invest in these timeless treasures, you not only enhance your living space with beauty and character, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Remember, every item carries the spirit of its origins, inviting you to be part of its ongoing narrative. We encourage you to explore your options, embrace the individuality of these handcrafted items, and let them inspire your home decor choices. Thank you for joining us, and we hope to see you again as we continue to celebrate the intersection of sustainability and creativity in the world of design. In a rapidly changing world, where sustainability is becoming increasingly vital, the appeal of artisan furniture and decorative pieces made from salvaged wood shines brightly. These unique creations not only provide a captivating aesthetic, but also symbolize a commitment to environmental stewardship. Each piece is imbued with history, capturing the essence of the wood's previous life. By choosing furniture crafted from repurposed materials, consumers are not just purchasing a product, they're investing in a narrative that connects them to the past while promoting a sustainable future. The journey of creating furniture from salvaged wood begins with meticulous sourcing. Artisans often search for timber from old barns, factories, and homes that are no longer fit for use. This wood, once neglected, is rich with character and stories, having weathered the elements and stood the test of time. The unique imperfections like knots, grain variations, and even nail holes add charm and authenticity to each piece. Unlike mass-produced furniture, which often lacks personality, salvaged wood items possess a distinctive flair that cannot be replicated. Craftsmanship is at the heart of artisan furniture making. Many artisans employ traditional woodworking techniques that have been passed down through generations. This dedication to craftsmanship ensures that each piece is not only aesthetically pleasing but also durable. Artisans take their time to perfect every joint, finish, and detail, resulting in furniture that can withstand the rigors of daily use. The care invested in the creation process transforms ordinary wood into extraordinary pieces of art that can be cherished for years. Beyond furniture, salvaged wood is also utilized in creating a variety of decorative items. From stunning wall art to functional shelving and accent pieces, the versatility of this material lends itself to innumerable creative possibilities. Artisans often experiment with different types of wood, combining various colors and textures to produce striking contrasts that enhance the beauty of each item. This artistic approach elevates salvaged wood from mere material to a medium for artistic expression. The environmental advantages of using salvaged wood are substantial. By repurposing wood that has already been cut and processed, artisans help mitigate the demand for new timber, which in turn aids in the conservation of forests. This practice is a vital component of the circular economy, where resources are kept in use for as long as possible, reducing waste and promoting sustainability. As eco-consciousness grows among consumers, the allure of reclaimed wood furniture becomes even more compelling. Choosing artisan pieces made from salvaged wood not only aligns with sustainability, but also supports local economies. Many artisans are small business owners who pour their passion and creativity into their work. By purchasing these handcrafted goods, consumers are making a conscious choice to support local artisans and their communities. This connection adds emotional value to each purchase, as buyers can appreciate the craftsmanship and effort that went into creating their unique item. The aesthetic appeal of salvaged wood furniture is yet another reason for its popularity. The natural hues and textures of reclaimed wood can seamlessly blend with a variety of interior design styles, from rustic farmhouse to contemporary minimalism. Whether it's a statement dining table or a set of elegant shelves, salvaged wood creates a warm and inviting atmosphere. Its organic beauty serves as a reminder of the natural world, fostering a sense of tranquility in homes and offices alike. Incorporating salvaged wood furniture into your living space encourages a sense of individuality. Unlike conventional furniture sourced from large retailers, artisan pieces allow for personal expression. Homeowners can curate a space that reflects their values and personal style, creating a home that feels uniquely theirs. Each item becomes a conversation starter, inviting guests to admire its distinctive features and the story behind it. As the movement towards sustainable living continues to gain momentum, the trend of using salvaged materials in home decor is poised to grow. From furniture to decorative accents, the commitment to craftsmanship and sustainability resonates with consumers seeking meaningful choices. As a result, artisans specializing in salvaged wood creations are increasingly recognized for their talent and dedication, elevating the status of handmade goods in the marketplace. Ultimately, investing in artisan furniture and decorative pieces made from salvaged wood is a commitment to quality, sustainability, and artistry. These timeless treasures not only enhance your living space, but also contribute to a more sustainable future. Each piece stands as a testament to the beauty of repurposed materials and the skill of the artisans who craft them, making them cherished additions to any home. The allure of salvaged wood goes beyond aesthetics and sustainability. It also evokes a sense of nostalgia. Many pieces may carry the essence of a bygone era, reminding us of simpler times and the stories of those who came before us. This emotional connection can create a deeper appreciation for the furniture and decor that adorns our spaces. Each scratch and imperfection tells a story, inviting reflection on the journey of the wood and the lives it has touched. Moreover, the use of salvaged materials often sparks conversations about history and craftsmanship. Artisans are not just creators, they are storytellers who breathe new life into old materials. They often share the backgrounds of the wood they use, detailing its origins and the previous structures it was part of. This transparency fosters a connection between the maker, the material, and the consumer, enriching the overall experience of owning handmade furniture. In a world increasingly dominated by mass production, the choice to invest in artisan pieces made from salvaged wood is an act of defiance against the throwaway culture. It signals a desire for quality over quantity, craftsmanship over convenience. By choosing to fill our homes with such items, we make a statement about our values and our commitment to sustainability. Each piece becomes a reminder of the importance of preserving our natural resources and celebrating the artistry of skilled craftsmen. Additionally, the trend of using salvaged wood aligns beautifully with the principles of biophilic design, which emphasizes the human-nature connection. Incorporating natural materials into our living spaces can enhance our well-being, reducing stress and promoting a sense of peace. The warmth and texture of salvaged would evoke a feeling of being grounded, connecting us to the earth and its resources. This holistic approach to design not only beautifies our homes, but also nurtures our well-being. In conclusion, the world of artisan furniture and decorative pieces crafted from salvaged wood is a rich tapestry of sustainability, artistry, and history. By embracing these unique creations, we not only enhance our living spaces with beauty and character, but also support a movement that values craftsmanship and environmental responsibility. As you search for distinctive pieces for your home, reflect on the stories and values that each item represents. With every purchase, you celebrate the legacy of reclaimed materials and the artisans who transform them into timeless treasures, making a meaningful impact on both your home and the planet. Thank you for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed exploring the beautiful world of artisan furniture and decorative pieces crafted from salvaged wood. If you found inspiration in these unique creations, we invite you to support our channel by subscribing, liking, and sharing this video with friends and family who appreciate craftsmanship and sustainability. Your engagement helps us continue to bring you more content that celebrates artistry and eco-conscious living. Stay connected with us for future videos, and together, let's inspire a movement towards more meaningful and sustainable choices in home decor. We appreciate your support and look forward to sharing more.